I had a reader tell me that he saved 5 vegan pepperoni recipes. His intent was to test all of them to figure out which would be his new staple. He tried this recipe first and said after this, his search was over. This was his go-to vegan pepperoni. To make it, you'll just mix up a bunch of flavorings along with the key ingredient, which is called vital wheat gluten. By kneading together the dough, you're developing that gluten, which creates the structure of the vegan pepperoni and makes it nice and chewy. Once your dough has formed those strands of gluten, roll it into logs, and from there you'll make little pepperoni Tootsie Pops by rolling it in aluminum foil. You could also do this in parchment paper. And then to cook this, you're going to steam it. When it steams, it's going to expand to take up all the space in that aluminum foil, making a perfectly round log of pepperoni. And then from there, you'll just slice into pepperonis and use it as you would pepperoni. Obviously, my favorite is on a cheese pizza, but you could also use it on charcuterie boards or even as a Lunchable. This is just such a fun one that's also super easy and is going to impress everyone at the table. Let me know if you try it out, and happy eating!